Linux Mint versus Ubuntu. Which one should you be using? Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to break down the differences between Linux Mint and Ubuntu, two of the most popular Linux distros out there, so you can decide which one actually fits your needs. Let's start with Ubuntu. It's one of the most well-known Linux distros, and for good reason. It's solid, stable, and great for both beginners and advanced users. If you're switching from Windows or Mac OS, it just works out of the box. Great hardware support, regular updates, and tons of software available right away. Now let's talk about Linux Mint. Mint feels like the more relaxed version of Ubuntu. It gives you a traditional desktop experience without forcing big changes. It's smooth, user-friendly, and comes with more multimedia codecs pre-installed. Perfect if you want something familiar and easy to use, especially if you're not into tech-heavy setups. So which one is better? If you're all about stability, long-term support, and don't mind a slightly newer interface, go with Ubuntu. But if you prefer a clean, classic layout and want everything working smoothly from day one, Linux Mint might feel like home. Both are awesome. Just depends how deep you're diving into customization. Let me know in the comments which distro you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.